So my name is Nathaniel Anchetta. This is Then Now a Dream. Consisted of four DIY built antelope sculptures made of rebar and found material. This is also part of a new alternative art space called Art in Residence. We just opened March 1st along with this installation. We are hoping to kind of continue and expand on public art here in the Antelope Valley.
What materials do you use for this?
This was made of rebar and found material. Out here in the desert there was a lot of dumping grounds, so we pulled a lot of the material from the dumping grounds and repurposed them here in these sculptures.
Who sponsored this?
It's a self-funded project.
Okay. And why you choose the blue color?
So the blue color has sort of many functions. One, for its formal aspects against the poppy fields, is something that we kind of kept in mind, as well as the sort of color of the future for us. It's sort of this weird artificial color which kind of gives the form of these antelopes a kind of specter, kind of ghost-like presence.